Sexy Farmer here. Yeah, it's the middle of October, and it's been pretty warm the last couple of days. We've got a warm spell here, hitting about 80 degrees or so, which is pretty good for us in October. So we have finished shelling corn today, finally. Not sure if you can see what I am standing in, but this was the last cornfield, and it was damn muddy. I should have been finished shelling before now. Here it is, October 16th. We wanted to be done before now, but because of the rain from Hurricane Matthew and the storm before that, 10 inches of rain in 2 weeks, that just makes our land pretty damn wet here. So I held off on this as long as I could before shelling it, but it was just time to get it out because soybeans are ready. So yeah, we left some tracks here. You can see them here, and I would say about 25% of this field we left tracks in, but we did get the corn out and we're done. So one of the things I realized today sitting on the combine is, hey, guess what? This is the 1-year anniversary of me being on YouTube. And it's all thanks to Z's Lawn Care. He was the one that encouraged me to do this, sitting on the combine one day last fall saying, hey, people will watch this stuff. You know, I'm still amazed that people watch this crap. It's just farming is all it is. But hey, 1 year later, about 100 videos uploaded and over 2,200 subscribers. That has just surprised me and shocked me. But hey, I do appreciate you watching. I will continue to do this for a while longer. I think eventually I will run out of material to do, but hey, we'll keep doing it. So we're finished here in the cornfield. It is changing the combine over tomorrow to soybeans. We've got a few sensors to replace. We'll remove the filler plates and get everything ready to roll. So hopefully by tomorrow afternoon we can get in the soybean field. Hopefully the soybean fields will be drier as far as the ground goes. The soybeans are dry enough to cut. We just hope the land is dry enough. So we'll see. Okay, it's 6:30. You know what that means. I mixed up a new batch over the weekend. Oh yeah, I got a haircut too. But yeah, new batch of margaritas over the weekend. Cut my hair this morning because it is warm right now. So I'm going home, kick my feet up, and have a margarita. All right, stay tuned for the soybean field tomorrow. See ya!